Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. This is my Ipsy Plus for the month of April. We're going to be unboxing it and giving away one of the items to one of you. I don't even know which one yet, so we'll find out together what's all in here. I want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I like doing giveaways for you. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of April. It is the Nomad Venice Simply an Express palette. Looks like this. This is mine. I do have a brand new one for you. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways. Talks about how to enter this one, as well as my other giveaways that I've got going on. I try and do a giveaway from each of my unboxings. You must be subscribed to the channel in order to enter the giveaways, and somewhere throughout this video is going to be the secret word that you're going to need to know for this giveaway. But for this one and my others, look in the description down below under current giveaways. It talks about how to enter those. I'm hoping that I don't need the glasses in order to see the product details. We'll see. I might have to put those glasses back on. But as far as what is on my eyes today, I did a little while ago put together a ColourPop individual palette that I kind of created on my own. And I just used these kind of pink shades right here to give a little kind of peppy springtime look. So Ipsy is a beauty subscription, makeup, skincare. This is the full-size version. Ipsy Plus does cost $28. You do get 5 full-size items for that. So I think you really get your money's worth out of the full-size ones. And even the deluxe size sample ones you guys do as well. And then they also have a kind of a drawstring bag that you can use. I use a lot for if I'm traveling. I'll put my shoes in it, and it kind of just helps keep my shoes clean and nice, and if they are dirty, kind of away from the rest of your clothes you got going on in your suitcase. I do have a code for Ipsy if you're interested in checking it out. It's in the description box down below. It's just there for your convenience. It'll save you a little bit of money. It saves me a little bit on any future add-ons that I want to do. Their add-ons are really, really good. That code is just there for your convenience. If you do use it, I thank you. So let's dive in here, open her up, and find out what's all in here. So it's this cute little blue daisy print bag. And all the products are inside. So this is kind of what it looks like, fully open. So if you see me looking down, I pulled up my notes on my phone. What Ipsy says about this bag is a spring-inspired daisy studded design. Studded? I don't know what's really studded about it, but okay. Utilize material made from recycled plastic, helping to keep waste out of landfills. It does have more of a plastic-y feel than a lot of their cloth ones do. I do love that they're using recycled materials. It does make it easier on the planet and easier on the eyes. So the first thing that I have is from F.a.r.a.h. It is the 4-piece complete face set. I do love my F.a.r.a.h. brushes that I have. This set is $46. Says you're in luck. The 4-piece brush set has literally every tool you could possibly need to create any makeup look. They buff in foundation, pat on powder, contour with precision, and apply evenly. Eyeshadow too. How to use, mix and match them to create everything from a subtle daytime look to an ultra glam smoky eye for the night. So here is what they look at like. They do have kind of right now the protective coating over the top, and then they've got this really cute kind of daisy print. I don't know what I'm going to do with these yet. I think I'm going to do them in a giveaway, whether it's in today's or a future one. That I don't know, so I don't want to be touching them all up and everything. So from Misha, Beauty is a beauty blush palette. It does retail for $40. So like I said, you're already getting your money's worth of what you spent on the bag. So this is a silky smooth and highly pigmented. These blushes are a total treat for your skin. Sweep them on your clean cheeks for a natural looking flush that locks in color for hours. How to use. Wear these shades on their own or blend them together for a customized glow. It's a mirror on this side. There is a little plastic kind of piece here, so you have a clean mirror, and then I just fold that up. And then here are your colors. This one here does have a shimmer to it. And I don't want to swatch this yet because I don't know what I'm doing with this one either. I pretty much don't know what I'm doing with most of this stuff. So I did pick this one. This is a Hava Dermared Intensive Foot Cream. I have really bad cracked heels. So this does retail for $29. Obviously it is full size. The therapeutic Dead Sea Mud Moisturizing Jojoba Oil and Nourishing Vitamin E in this foot cream work together to help minimize dry, cracked, and rough skin. Expect softer, smoother soles and heels with continued use. How I love using these. I love this. I've tried it before. I absolutely love it. And how I love using them is I put on like kind of like a thick pair of socks at night, and I put on this cream, then put the socks on, and that's how I use them. From Girl Actic is a Metallic Eye Sparkle in Cleopatra. I did pick out this one. Does retail for $20. The metallic brown cream eyeshadow has a velvety smooth texture that's easy to blend and won't crease or fade for hours. As soon as you apply it to your lids, your eyes will immediately begin to sparkle. Kind of looks like this. I haven't done like cream shadows in a long time, and I've been kind of getting into them lately. I mean, look how pretty that is. So that's what it looks like, just not blended or anything. So pretty. Let's try blending it out just a little bit and see what it does. It does dry down very, very quickly. So if you are going to blend it, like I kind of blended this edge more towards the center of my hand. You know, it blended a little bit, but yeah, it dries down very, very quickly to the point where I can't even like rub it off, which is a good thing. And finally, the last item that I did pick is from Il Makiage. It is the Dirty Talks Matte Lip Color in Ilwa. Does retail for $22. It coats lips in an ultra smooth and highly pigmented soft pink color that dries to a long wearing matte finish with a soft, flexible feel. I do kind of really like the Il Makiage packaging. And here's what she looks like. I don't really do matte lipsticks, so I don't want to swatch this. Putting this right back. I do like it has a little magnetic closure. So I'm either going to do that today's giveaway or a future one. So what did you guys think? I thought this was one of my best Ipsy bags that I've had in a long time. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. I love chatting back and forth with you guys. Let's do give away that Il Makiage lipstick. I know for sure I wouldn't be using it. And I'd rather give away stuff that I know I'm not going to use, and hopefully it can go to somebody who will use it. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. Put on it that secret word that those letters spelled out throughout this video. You can get bonus entries if you go, there's 3 extra ways to get bonus entries. You can get them if you go follow me on Instagram, that's BeautyAmaB, followed by the letter B. If you follow me on Twitter, so same BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. And your third way is if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. I'm trying really hard to grow the channel here. So only fill out that Google form once. Mark on the Google form if you did do those bonus entries. If you did do them, make sure you do, because I do check. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day, and you must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. This giveaway is open internationally. I am then responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Let's have this giveaway go through May 6th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. On May 11th, I will take from the Google Forms, all the first name, first initial of their last name, put them into my computer, and then I put in there if they have bonus entries. The computer spins it all around, the computer picks it. I don't, so don't ask to win. But this way we can see what who everybody entered and who won, and it's just fun for everybody. Everybody has a really good time doing that. Thinking about doing a premiere for that one. Let me know what you guys think. Part of it will depend on if I have to go up and get my son from college, or if he's taking care of anything on his own and he's going to put all his stuff into his own storage unit and everything else, and then just drive back himself what he's doing, because his finals are that week. Anyway, you can always do a premiere in one of them in the future. If you like this video, give it a big like. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Bye. Good luck on the giveaway. Woo!